Welcome back to the channel. MotorHot579 here, putting in the Tusk lighting kit. You've probably seen this a dozen times, but yeah, so the part that everybody gets confused about is when you put the control switch in for the headlight, the wiring. Well, if your bike doesn't come with a headlight like this bike here, you'll need to have some power. So basically the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your light and you're going to see which one is your ground. Okay, in this case my black wire is the ground. Depending on, you know, whatever light you have, it may be different, but you want to find your ground, and then you're going to tap into the ground on the main wiring harness. It's a black wire as well. Okay, I use these connectors that just splice into the wire, and they work very well. Then what you'll need to do is you'll need to take the positive of your light and connect it to either the white or the blue on the control switch. This is the high and low beam. I only have a single beam, so I got it connected to the high beam for now. Then you'll need to scab power from somewhere in the harness. Okay, so what you're going to do is take a test light like this, and you're going to start probing your probe stuff, okay, until you find something that has power. Okay, once you find that, you're going to connect the black wire from the control switch into that power, and now you'll have power for your headlight. Okay, so basically controller isn't powered. Okay, you have to find power, and you also need ground. So your ground and your power from your headlight need to be fed into the harness. The ground for the bike is the ground for your light, which is in the main harness. The power is coming from your light into the blue or the white, and then the black is going to actually go to something that's live, that has live power with the key on and the ground. Okay, so I hope that simplifies things. Any questions, please ask.